Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you two of my favorite finance books. So before I've read this book, the very first finance book that I've read after graduating from college is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Right now, I think these two books are already the foundational book for finance. Okay, so first is Your Money Made Simple by Russ Cruzon. And this book tackles a foundational question: what's the simplest way to achieve financial freedom? Financial freedom meaning having options and feeling unrestricted. So it's the opposite of financial bondage when we're constrained by debt, lack of savings, or poor money management. Ross simplifies financial freedom into one core principle, which is spending less than you make and doing it for a long time. So this concept, though simple, is incredibly powerful. And that's true actually. Spending less than you make and doing it for a long time, that is very effective. And the book also introduces the 6 boxes of money, a framework that helps you understand where income goes and how to take control of it. So, what are the 6 boxes of money? So, the first box is income. Your income is the foundation of everything else. It includes your salary, bonuses, interest, rental income, and more. Every cash that is incoming. Understanding your gross income is critical because all other financial decisions flow from here. So, as for me, my income comes from freelancing and content creation. And then the second one is giving. So, the first box in the 6 boxes of money is income, and the second one is giving. Ross emphasizes that giving should be your first financial priority. So he shares 6 reasons to give, including gratitude, worship, and breaking the power of money. So you're encouraged to decide the amount based on 3 principles: give as you're able, give in a way that matters to God, and give with a generous heart. Next box is taxes. So for most employed individuals, taxes are deducted automatically, but for the self-employed ones, so like in the Philippines, so filing taxes are done manually. Okay, so that's taxes. The next box is debt. Actually, debt limits your financial freedom. And while some debt is legitimate, for example, a home or a business, much of it stems from lifestyle choices, impatience, or misconceptions. The goal: eliminate debt as quickly as possible. I am proud to say that I am debt free. Next box is leaving expenses. So, this is where most people struggle. Ross underscores that the key to financial freedom is to consistently live below your means. So, adjusting your lifestyle is often the only way to make this box work. So, as a family of 5, we maintain a very low lifestyle to make sure we have savings for emergencies and for the future. Okay, the next box is savings. Russ suggests flipping the traditional mindset. Income less savings equals to what's left or spending. So saving should come before lifestyle expenses. So, and only after saving adequately should you consider investing. So what I do when I receive my income, I pay myself first and spend what's left. So what about investing? Ross warns against get rich schemes and stresses the importance of diversification. So for retirement, he challenges the max out your retirement fund mindset, urging readers to focus on balance. Retirement savings should be part of a well rounded financial plan and not something that overshadows living a fulfilling life in the present. So, what are the key takeaways from this book? Spend less than you make every year, live on a budget, avoid overfunding retirement, be generous with what you have, and enjoy the freedom and options that comes with financial security. I really like this book because it focuses on one core principle, which is spend less than you make and do it for a long time. So it's very simple, it's very basic, and it's actually the only way. Because if you don't spend less than what you make, then you cannot achieve financial freedom. So if you're looking for a financial approach to personal finance, so this book is definitely a worth to read. I think this book already is a foundational book on personal finance and not Rich Dad Poor Dad. After graduating college, I've read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and it's actually not super easy to understand if you don't know finance terms like assets, liabilities, and everything. And then, and this book is, I think, the best finance book that I've read because it helped me understand how people behave when it comes to money. So, this book actually emphasizes that financial success is not about knowledge or technical expertise, but behavior. Housel argues that understanding your emotions and psychology around money is more important than mastering complex financial strategies, which is true. So, there are a lot of key takeaways from this book, and here are my four key takeaways. First is money is emotional and not logical. So, what do I mean by that? Actually, people make financial decisions based on their unique experiences and emotions, so which may not always align with rational behavior. Another one is long term investing and patience are key. The power of compounding. Housel highlights Warren Buffett's success as a result of starting young and allowing compounding to work over decades. And the next key takeaway is anything that is huge, profitable, famous, or influential is the result of a tail event. And that means that a small number of decisions or events can disproportionately affect outcomes. So, recognizing and preparing for rare, impactful events is crucial. Next is so, this is my favorite. Saving money is the gap between your ego and your income. So saving reflects the difference between your income and your desire to show it off. So, the ego represents a temptation to spend in ways that signal success or status to others. True financial independence comes from living below your means and prioritizing long term goals over short term gratification. So, I really like this book because it goes beyond just teaching financial concepts. So, it actually dives into the mindset and behavior that truly shape your relationship with money. So, Rich Dad, Poor Dad actually focuses on building assets and understanding liabilities. So, this book takes it further by exploring habits, emotions, and decisions that determine financial success. So it breaks down complex ideas into relatable, eye opening lessons to apply to everyone, regardless of their income level. So this book doesn't teach about wealth, it changes how you think about it. So it's actually a must read, guys. And that's it for this video. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.